Hey everybody, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate, and in this video, we're going to talk about the word nuance. 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 We're going to talk about the definition. I'm going to provide some example sentences, and at the end of the video, we will practice pronunciation. So let's get started and jump right in. The word nuance is a noun. Nuance. Nuance. One more time. Nuance. It means a small or subtle change, a change that's so tiny it might even be hard to differentiate because it's hard to observe. The word nuance is a noun. Just as a reminder, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Now, let's look at some example sentences so that we can understand the meaning of the word just a little bit better. Our first example sentence is, great painters use nuances of color to create their masterpieces. Great painters use nuances of color to create their masterpiece. One more time. Great painters use nuances of color to create their masterpieces. So they use small, subtle changes of color to create their art, to create what they are making for people to enjoy. The second example sentence is, the police detective examined every nuance of the suspect's statement. The police detective examined every nuance of the suspect's statement. One more time. The police detective examined every nuance of the suspect's statement. So the police detective is examining or looking for small or subtle changes between what was said at the beginning of the statement and what is being said throughout the statement. Investigating small, subtle changes. Now it's time for us to practice pronouncing the word nuance. This first time, I'm going to repeat it 3 times, and I want you just to listen. Just listen. Nuance. 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 Now this time I want you to listen and then repeat after me. Nuance. Nuance. Good job, everybody. One more time. Nuance.